Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Electra. In this video, we'll learn how to start and stop a motor using a single push button in TIA Portal step by step. So, let's get started. First, open TIA Portal and click on Create New Project. Give your project a suitable name and hit Create. Next, go to Devices and Networks and add a new device. In my case, I'm selecting the Siemens S7-1200, CPU 1215 DC. Once your device is added, go to the project tree, navigate to Program Blocks, and open the main OB1. Now let's start programming. Network 1, latching logic with single push button, drag a normally open no contact and assign the address is 0.2. This is our push button. Then add an output coil and assign it to M0. This is our internal memory for on latch. Now add a branch parallel to the output coil and insert another output coil inside the branch. Assign it to M0.1. This will be our stop latch. Between the first output coil and the parallel branch, insert a normally closed NC contact with address M01. This allows us to reset the memory when needed. So in simple terms, when we press the push button, M0 will get latched on. M0.1 will get latched simultaneously. And when M0.1 is activated, it will break the circuit to reset the output if needed. Network 2. XOR logic. For on-off toggle now, we'll build XOR logic to control the actual output Q0 using M0 and Q0. Add a normally open no contact with address M0. Connect it to an output coil with address. Add a parallel branch and inside it place one NC contact with address M0, one no contact with address Q0. Also connect an NC contact with address Q0 in the main line before the coil. This logic creates an XOR gate effect, meaning every time you press the push button, the output toggles on or off. One push turns it on, another push turns it off, with a single push button. Once the program is ready, click on Compile to check for any errors. Now, launch the PLC simulator, download the program, and switch to monitor mode to observe the logic in action. Here's how it works. We're using a single push button, I0.2, to both start and stop the output Q0. When you press the button for the first time, the no contact is 0.2 turns on, setting M0 latches itself on and also activates M0.1. But M0.1 is connected as a normally closed NC contact in the first network, so it breaks the latch immediately after one scan cycle. This gives us a momentary pulse, not a continuous on. Pulse is sent to network 2, where we've built an XOR logic using M0 and Q0. Now in network 2, when M0 is on and Q0 is off, the XOR logic allows Q0 to turn on. On the next button press, M0 gets pulsed again, but now Q0 is already on. The XOR condition reverses. This time it turns Q0 off. So every time we press the same button, the output toggles on and off, just like a flip-flop. This is how we achieve a start-stop operation using a single push button. No separate stop button required.